everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix your Windows automatically restart or shut down or rebooting in loop. And it's very simple, and just follow my steps to fix these issues. Now click on search button and type View Advanced System Settings. Here you can able to see View Advanced System Settings as a result and click OK. Now go to Advanced and here click on Startup and Recovery option and go to Settings. Here you can able to see the options Startup and Recovery, and in that go to the Settings. Here just uncheck Automatically Restart option and click OK and give OK. Now second method is click on search button and type registry editor. Here you can able to see the registry editor in search result and give run as administrator and allow us to perform the operation. In left side, click on local machine. In local machine, click on software. In software, click on policy. In policy, click on Microsoft. In Microsoft, create a new key and rename the new key as Windows Update. Now again click on Windows Update and click New Key. And again rename the new key as AU. In AU, just click anywhere on the screen and click New. In New, click on dword 32-bit value. Now rename the new value as No Auto Reboot Logged On User. And rename the new dword 32 as No Auto Reboot Logged On User. Now double click on that and enter the value data as 1 and click OK. And now click on Start button and just restart your PC. Hope this method will fix your issues. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.